What's going on, brother? It's your man Pat, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside service. I want to give a few minutes, man, well actually a few seconds, and spit some motivational game. So check this out, man. There's a thing in the world called supply and demand. You need supply and you need demand. You need people who want the thing that you're trying to get to sell, right? So for one, there's no reason to be broke, especially in America. Even though they got this corn shortage and every other shortage or whatever, it don't really matter. There's some other product or service that people is gonna want. Number two, it's all up to you to make these things happen. Nobody's just gonna give you the stuff. And the crazy thing is, even if they did give you the stuff, it's up to you to actually make something happen of it. You can manifest exactly what you want, man, if you really put your mind to it. There's a lot of aspiration. Y'all see me in the old flatbed. I got bigger things coming and better things coming, because not only am I speaking it into existence, but I'm also manifesting it by doing the action. Get out there and do the work. That's your quick twig for the hashtag Fasttowpro. Peace.